Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review of my Astro AI Power Jump Starter. Thank you to the company for sending this in for review. I've been super excited to get this in. I love seeing new car accessories that come out. So let's go ahead and check it out. Check this out. Bam. That is actually pretty sweet. I'll show it to you right here. Some outputs right here. Let's see what else we get. Some user manuals. Carrying case for it. The actual cables themselves, very nice, and then a Type-C cable to charge it. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the cool features on this cool jump starter. So let's see, I know it probably doesn't have a whole lot of juice right out of the box. Yeah, let's check it out. It's got a light that's built into it. Here is where you will charge it. Let's just hook it up just to kind of see what it looks like once we hook it up. You have a little slot right here, just push it down, plug it in. You should be good to go. So the one thing that I've noticed from this one that a lot of them don't actually have, let me see if I can turn this off. Is this boost button right here. So this one will do RVs, trucks. It will do a large variety of vehicles that more typically the other ones don't do. So I thought that was a very cool. So if you need a little extra juice, boom, boost button right there. This is literally good to go right now. Like if I needed to hook this up, we could do it right now and it would work. My battery doesn't need it at the moment. I do want to try out this charging feature up here because I think that's actually really neat to have, especially if you are in a case of emergency and you need a quick charge for your phone or your iPad or whatever it is that you need, you can charge it up here. So let's try out this feature right here. All right, so we'll just go ahead and hook something here to our battery. Charge this side right here. Power it up. Bam, there it is. Keep your electronics fully charged, definitely in case of an emergency. It does have a 24,000 mAh built-in battery, so you can keep all your devices charged up at all times. So this device has a lot of great features on it. So if you're looking for an awesome multifunctional jump starter, definitely look into the Astro AI one. So far, based on everything I see right here, just the durability of it, the features, the boost that it comes with, the large battery to charge all your devices, I think I'd recommend this one, definitely a 10 out of 10.